Maybe you're hosting a big 4th of July party this summer, or maybe you're planning a romantic dinner outside. Either way, you need a picnic table, so I built one. Now before you get nervous, I actually used real plans this time from DIYgardenplans.net. Real instructions from a real person, which is a first for this channel, so let's see if following directions actually makes a difference. For this build, you will need 2 8-foot 2x4s, 1 10-foot 2x6, 1 8-foot 2x6, and 5 12-foot 2x6s.
We are also going to need 2.5-inch deck screws and 3-inch carriage bolts.
To start, we will be doing all of the measuring and cutting for the entire build. First, we will be cutting 5 2x6s into 6-foot lengths for the tabletop. Adjusting our angle to 30 degrees, we will now cut our 3 battens. Still at 30 degrees, we will be cutting our 4 legs. We will also be cutting our 2 seat supports at a 30-degree angle. Next, we have our 2x4 braces for structural stability, cut at 24 degrees. We now move on to our cleats to hold the seat boards together, cut at a 30-degree bevel. Finally, we cut 4 more 2x6s to 6 feet long that will make up our seat. First, we lay out our tabletop, ensuring that we have 4 inches of overhang on either side. We then install our legs. We countersink each hole with a 1-inch spade bit. We then drill a hole the same size as the carriage bolts all the way through, and then back through the other side. We then repeat this process 2 times per leg for all 4 legs. Up next, we will install the seat supports 1 foot 4.5 inches from the bottom of the legs. We will use the same system as the legs for the carriage bolts. The seat supports are supposed to be on the outside of the legs. Please do not make the same mistake I did, otherwise you will sit here for 10 minutes like I did trying to get the beam back off. Now we will add the 2x4 braces. In this next step, you'll want to ensure that you put your seat boards upside down so that when you install your cleat, it will be the underside. And of course, ensure that they hang over evenly on both sides.
There you have it. I will make sure to put pricing down below For this build, I ended up going with pre-finished cedar tone boards, but you could make it a little bit cheaper by going with something different.